The purpose of this video is to show you how combining materials in certain ways can help strengthen the structure of your bridge. Here we have a piece of cardboard. It's 1 inch by 1 thickness, about 1/8 of an inch. We're going to lay that down on our 2 piers, and that's going to serve as our control. And I'm going to take a 10-gram mass and lay it down in the middle. And you see that the 10-gram mass deflects that piece of cardboard quite a bit. So let's have a look at what happens when we take, say, 3 pieces of cardboard and combine them, glue them together. So that way it's 3/8 of an inch thick. So 3 pieces of cardboard next to our other bridge, our original bridge. If we take that 10-gram mass and put it in the middle, we see that there may be some slight deflection, but it doesn't compare to 1 piece. Now, what happens if we take 100 grams or 10 times our control mass and put it on our 3 cardboard piece bridge? We see we have some deflection, but the deflection is not as much as we see with the 10-gram mass on a single piece of cardboard. There's a tremendous difference between the two. So what else could we do? We could take 10 pieces of cardboard and combine them together. So the question is that going to be 10 times stronger? 10 times stronger from our original piece. Well, 10 times stronger would mean that we should be able to easily support 100 grams. So that, in fact, is 10 times stronger. But this bridge is strong enough that we can support 1,000 grams, which is 100 times stronger than our control. It's our original bridge. You see the considerable amount of deflection between the two. Now, how can we further improve upon this? Well, what we could do is, rather than using the 10 pieces of cardboard, we can go back to our 3 cardboard pieces, but rearrange those 3 cardboard pieces in a structure called an I-beam. So the reason we call this an I-beam is because it looks like the letter I. And you'll see that we have 1 flat piece, a vertical piece, and a flat piece on top. And what this does is these 2 flat pieces prevent this middle piece from bending. So, of course, that's going to support 10 grams. It'll easily support 100 grams without any deflection. So if we take 1,000 grams, here we have 1,000 grams on 3 pieces of cardboard. And let's now compare it to the 3 pieces of cardboard glued as a sandwich and put 100 grams. And you can see that the 100 grams will compress or bend, deflect the 3 pieces of cardboard which are sandwiched together. You can further improve on this design of an I-beam by removing some of the material that's found inside the I-beam and create what's called a truss within the I-beam itself. So this will decrease the weight a little more. However, realize that cutting all of that out is a tremendous amount of extra work, so you'll need to decide if you want to explore that or not. Good luck with your design.